Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, you know, we got this on our load today. It's not strapped up yet, as yet. It's a pretty easy run. Not gonna complain, not going to complain. You guys know my motto, I'm not gonna complain. You know, flatbed can be fun, but when it rains, man. So look what we got. Look what we gotta work with, you know? So we gotta work with, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good, all good, all good, all good. So I got my wood pop because I gotta do my pre-trip check, you know? Because once you check, you're never in a problem. My coolant level is good. You can't see my coolant level, but I can see it. No leaks, yeah? That's my engine, my Detroit engine. But we're gonna get this bad boy fired up, okay? Yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy fired up now. That's what we're about to do. Get this bad boy fired up. Bad boy is fired up. Yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm going to strap up and get ready. Talk to you guys. Well. See, flatbed is fun, but when it comes on to rain, man, when it starts to rain, that's when it sucks. Don't want to deal with this rain, because right now it's raining, drizzling. I say, light rain. Look at the sky. The sky looking all foggy. But the work gotta be done. I'm trying to track down this loader guy and I can't find him. Don't even know where he turned to. Don't even know where he's at. Cause I need to find out what and where, what for what, cause I got like 2 drops. I'm trying to drop these early so I can come back and speak with this general manager, because the general manager want to speak with me. So we going, look, see? It's raining. Betsy's getting wet. Well, she gotta get wet. Yeah. Properly strapped and ready for the road. Yeah. But it's all good. We're gonna get this done. Yeah. I'm like 17 minutes at my first drop. Dropping off some what do you call it now? Some groove and tongue plywood. That's my first stop. That's like 17 minutes out. It's pretty much good. It's raining. You know when it's raining, flatbed seems not to be nice when it's raining. So, oh well, we're gonna see what it's like. Yeah, we're gonna see. Definitely, I'm here on 85. Going to exit 32. Yeah, going to this. Probably a nice house, I don't know, probably a nice neighborhood, something like that. Then when I come back from this run, I gotta go speak with the GM, general manager of my job that I'm at this job here. So he said he want to talk to me because, you know, I ain't gonna let out the puss out the baggers yet. So I'm gonna see what he's talking about. If he's not talking or he's not speaking my language, then no, we can't. So I'm here by the airport. It's the first I've ever been like going by the airport like this. You know, so we're gonna see what the airport taking place, you know. Yeah. We're by the airport. We'll see what the airport. We're by the airport. It's the first I ever drive like a semi trailer nearby the airport. That's the airport over there facing towards me, but I'm not going into the airport. At first I was like, what? Am I going to the airport? But no, CLT, Charlotte Douglas International Airport. It's It's right over there. So waiting for this traffic to, you know, pass. Then we swing by and go around to that place over there where we're going. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a soon. Well. We're at our first drop. Our first stop. So, you know that go. Our first stop. We're not even gonna complain. Start this Muffet, get it warmed up. No? Yeah. So we're gonna take off these. So our first stop. And then, you know, drop it over this place here that they got this house over there. Hardly can see it, but oh well. We're gonna do it right away. Okay? This is my first stop. First stop. We're not gonna complain, we're gonna take our smooth little time. Because we're not in no rush. The ground is wet. It's been raining, I think all night, last night. So we're not going to, we're not. We'll take our sweet little time and drop this. Sweet little time. But the ground is kind of wet. I don't want to get stuck in the Muffet, with the Muffet. So that will mess your whole day up. We're gonna drop it right here, right here, right here. Ain't going no further. No further. We ain't going. See, we dropped right there. All we gotta do is take some pictures to state that we dropped the load. Yeah, so I'm gonna take some pictures, say we dropped the load. That's my first stop. It's such a shame that, you know, they have to use camera in certain places to say that, or take pictures. People are just not, you know. They got a camera right there to show that if anybody come and steal their product. So this is what they're doing. It's a nice, I like it. I like the shape of it. Yeah, it's a nice house. Probably 3-bedroom house. Gonna have back deck and stuff like that. You can put all a pool over there. But that's my dream to have. A pool in my house. Yeah. Oh yeah, a pool into my backyard. Definitely. That's one thing I'm working on. Yeah. So we all set. Got our second drop. See we there? All we got there working with. Our second drop for the day. Let me tighten up this thing here so that you know, because if DOT officer pull you over with this, you're in trouble. See my load? My second stop is ready. So We're gonna find a way out to get out of here now, because the roads, I'll tell you, man, if you look at these roads are narrow. Didn't make for these big trucks. Yeah, so that's how the day begins. All right, I'll see you guys in a few. See, these roads never built for a semi. Nah, never built for these big tractor trailers. Nope, never. You can tell. All right, that's where where you see those lumbers, that's where I drop my little bundle of groove and tongue OSB. There's a stop sign, you have to come to that stop sign, obey the stop sign. Sir, obey it. Okay? So bye-bye to Dixie Drive. We're going on to a place called Riverbed. Yep, that's where we're going to. Our next stop. Here. I'm on my second stop. My first run. Still working on it. I'll find this place. It's supposed to be somewhere up the road. Yeah. Somewhere up the road. Not moving too fast because I don't want it to miss. See? Just as I say. Find somewhere up that side to turn around. This place is right here. Get the hell out of here. Oh yeah. Well, this is our second stop. Call it last stop in the first run. Gonna drop this high joist over to that lot. Climbing up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got this, we got this, we got this. We can do this. Yeah, we can do this. We can do this. We don't want it, we need a center. Yeah, we need the center. Yeah, we got this all up. So we're about to carry this to our destination. Yeah. See what we got to work with. Long thing here. Oops, gotta find somewhere to put it. Gotta find somewhere to put it. And that's what we're about to do. Try to find somewhere to put it. 5011. Where are we gonna put this now? But sorry, but we gotta put it somewhere. Well. It rained early on, but the sun is out. Yeah, the sun is out. We like when the sun is out. It's fun when the sun is out. Yeah. You enjoy flatbed more, pulling these load and driving trucks. But when it's wet, man, you don't want to do that. No. So we are about to go in this office. We're going to try to talk to the big boss. See what the big boss talking about. Yeah. Because he called me yesterday. General manager called me yesterday, say he want to talk to me. So we gonna have a little talk. I'm gonna try to see if I can turn on my camera and have a conversation with him. But I don't want it to see the camera because we gotta talk numbers. Numbers. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're on the camera now, okay? You're holding me up, Oscar. Come on now, take your fuel it up. Shaft wall to get it together.
So when you're traveling, you won't break?
No, listen, Oscar. I got no time for that now, okay? I need to go, man. I need to go. Okay? I need to go. You're holding me up. Okay? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, there you go. Why not put it on this side? Huh? Yeah. So that way another bundle can go there. See? See? I gotta show you how to load this, man. I gotta show you how to load this. Right inside. No, they got something going there. I think. Yeah. See, the sun is out. This morning it was raining. Tell about this weather, kind of bipolar. Alright, we'll take off these bad boys. Yeah. So these bad boys, they are pretty heavy. Don't feel like they're light. These are firewall. So we're gonna unstrap them and drop them where they're supposed to go. Yeah. That's what we're doing. Unstrapping them. Yeah. Bad boy. Want your money? Gotta work hard for them. Yeah. Money, money, money. Work hard. Yeah. Oh yeah. Need that money? Gotta work hard for that money. Yep. Gotta work hard. Then I'm gonna take my drill. This is my drill. Yeah, my drill is gonna use on. Oh yeah. There we go. Reel these up, these straps. Well, finally. We empty. No, we know we empty. We empty. Yeah, we empty. We empty. Empty. Yeah. We're back for this last and final run of the day. Look at the time. 1:58. Normally I would have finished a long time ago, but I guess just the day. That's how it is. I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. See, I got this big load here at the time at almost 3 o'clock. See, I went to the office talking to the GM. GM said they want to lose me, so gotta match the price. So this is my load, you know. Yeah, I know my worth. See, you pay me good. Yeah, that's what. If you pay me good, then you keep good workers. That's what I need to know. Right? Pay us good as drivers, and you get good work. Look, perfect. Strap properly, because safety is first. That's what we're preaching. Safety. Because you got to think about others. Okay? Think about those who are driving behind you as a driver. You got to think about that. Yeah. Definitely got to think about that, because that's important as a driver. Yep. Yeah, that is when dispatcher got to come out and help you out. Yeah, he have to come out and help out. Yeah, come out and help out because guess what? He know him do me wrong. See? Yeah, man, he have to come. Go him and go home, you know. And see it, I'm gonna call him and tell him that, look here, sir, I can't do it. No. Yeah. So I'm doing my best. Yeah, doing my best I can do. You know, school bus and everything coming. Yeah, everything at standstill right now. Oh yeah, I ain't playing with them. No way at all. I ain't playing with him. So dispatcher gotta come out and help unload, which I got no problem with him helping me. Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah. Tell calling me if I want to come and watch. I'm gonna see what you're gonna do. See what you gotta do. Yeah. Load that Muffet. Unload that trailer, sir. I ain't playing with them. Yeah. Talk to the big boss today. Big boss seems like don't want me to leave. So guess what? If you don't want me to leave, match what I make my offer. Listen, know your worth. Okay? No kind of quality worker are you. Yeah, okay? Know your worth. Alright? Don't just take anything from them. Nah, I ain't playing with them. I have much to give thanks. I really want to give God thanks for a lot of things. A lot of things. Today was a blessed day and I have much to give thanks. You know, honestly, today I talked to the manager, my GM. Well, I'm just gonna wait until Monday to see what it's like. But I don't have much to say, but all I gotta do is just give God thanks. For me, I get off late today, like 6:30. It's been a while. I haven't been so late. So I have much to give God thanks. But please like, share, and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, all right, you're the first to get it. Please, I'm asking you to like, share, and subscribe. I really need the support, okay? Please, I'm asking you. Thank you. I think I'm gonna do this now.